Welcome guys, and in this video we are going to customize our WordPress dashboard and the login page for our client. So first we are going to hide all the unnecessary options from our admin menu and only show the options which are needed for the client, so our client won't mess up or break our site. And we are also going to design our own welcome page instead of all these messy widgets to confuse the client. And we are also going to convert this default login page with a WordPress logo to our custom login page with our own logo. So let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our default WordPress dashboard, and we have a free version of Elementor installed to design our custom welcome page. So let's head over to the plugins and click on Add New. And here search for White Label. And install this plugin White Label CMS. And activate this. Now go to the settings and click White Label CMS. And here it is asking for the developer information, so you can enter your name here, your website URL, so this text will replace the default footer credit by WordPress. I will leave the RSS feed empty and click next. And here you can enter your client business name, and here you can upload the logo for your client company and save. And here it is asking if you want to hide the default WordPress logo and links and WP version, so yes. And here you can add more information related to your client branding, so I will click next on a login, and let's customize our login page. So it is already using the logo that I have uploaded earlier. Next I will select the background image. You can also select the background color and full screen background image and save it. Let's preview our login screen in a new window. So I will copy this URL, go to the new window and paste it here. Okay, so we have our custom login screen. However, these two options are kind of invisible because of a background, so we can either change their color or hide them. So let's go back to the setting, and here we can either hide them or change their color. So I will just hide them and save. Now let's set up our dashboard. Here you can add the icon for your dashboard, which will appear here. And here hide all dashboard panel is enabled, which means if I save it here and go to the dashboard and refresh, all the panels will be hidden. Now you can keep the panels that you want. But I'm going to hide all the panels because we are going to create our custom panel with the Elementor. So enable add your own welcome panel, and here we can design our own welcome panel with the HTML code, or we can use the Beaver builder or Elementor builder to create our panel. So we will use Elementor page builder. So enable this Elementor page builder, and here we can select the template for our welcome page. So let's first design that template for our welcome page. So click on the templates, click on add new, select the type of a template as section, and I will name it as welcome template, and create template. Let's add the section, and I will drop the heading for our welcome message and say welcome to our dashboard, align it to the center. Let's change its styling. Let's edit the typography and change its font. Also increase the size. And next we will add the background to this whole section. So click on edit section and go to style, background type as classic, and select the background image. So let's add the padding around this section. I also want to change the color of the text to make it more visible. So let's change it to white. Let's also add the black overlay over this image. So go to the background overlay and select black color. Let's decrease the opacity a little bit. Next, I want to add a contact information section for our client. So I will use a pre-made template for it. Click on add template and select blocks, and here filter for contact. Let's choose this one, insert. Let's adjust its styling a little bit. So first I will center everything, and I also want to decrease the padding. Adjust their font style and size. So let's publish it. Go back to the dashboard and White Label CMS. Go to the dashboard and add on welcome panel, and under the elementor select our new welcome template and save. Let's refresh the dashboard page. Okay, so now we have our custom welcome page. Now let's hide all the unnecessary options from the menu that we don't want to display to our client. So here click on menus and enable want to hide menus for your client. Here enable only the menus that you want to display. So I will disable all the menus that I don't want to display to the client. And save. Now let's refresh the page. Now it is not working because I am right now logged in as a super admin, because it will work for all the user roles except this plugin admins and the super admin. So let's create the new user for our client. So I will go to the users and add new. Let's fill out the information quickly. Let's add it. Let's try logging in with a new user account. Okay, so all our disabled menus are hidden for this user. Now, if you want to change the overall theme and look of this WordPress dashboard, there are a lot of admin theme plugins. So let me show you one. So go to the plugins and add new. Search for admin theme. Let's install this one. And right after activating it, it will change your default dashboard theme. You can change the color scheme if you don't like these colors. So go to the users and profile, and in the admin color scheme you can change the color scheme. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button. See you in the next one.